Hello everyone, in this video I will try to give you a solution for the problem in Telegram which says this channel cannot be displayed. So I know the things I'm about to say is very disappointing for a lot of you guys. So before starting the video, why this problem occurs at the first place? So this problem usually occurs when Telegram doesn't want those type of channels to be displayed in their platform. So it's Telegram that is deleting those channels. So once if Telegram decided to delete those channels, there is no way you can view that channel again from doing such kind of tricks. So you need to understand this, that this is run by Telegram. This entire thing is run by Telegram, and if they decide to ban something, if they decide to restrict something from a channel, sorry, if they decide to restrict someone from a channel, then they will do anything they want because it's their platform and we can't do anything. So the simple answer is we cannot do anything because that channel is been deleted by Telegram itself. But in our side, this error comes which says this channel cannot be displayed. But for some users, there you might be watching a lot of videos which says that go to Telegram website, and from go to settings and privacy and security, you will find these options. Just a lot of other YouTubers will say you just disable this option, just disable this option, and you will be able to see this. But don't get scam, this is just a fake video which whoever make this type of videos, uh, don't listen to them, they are just clickbait. And I'm telling you the uh, honest answer, that this type of channels you cannot view them because it's been deleted by Telegram itself, and that's the reason you cannot view this type of channels. And hope this video was helpful, hope I was able to save your time, and hope I was able to uh, make your life a bit easy. So please don't spread hate on my comments, just like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.